as always, just a precaution.
All right, Mr. Callie is starting his lockdown.
Okay. We ready? All right, let's hit it. Okay, Charlie, it's almost done. Hit it.
Release the beast and purge in our American streets.
This is the emergency alert system transmitting this alert of the commencement of the annual purge. At the siren, all crimes including murder will be legal. All emergency services will be suspended for 12 hours. Any use of weapons must be met according to Section 3 Weapon Authorization of the 28th Amendment. Non-compliance with any of the purge rules will result in punishment by death. Your government thanks you for your participation.
Okay, kids. Now, I know bad things do happen tonight, but we can afford protection. So we'll be fine just like always. No worries.